Hello everyone, today's video lecture is related to COVID coronavirus. All the information used in this video has been collected by social media. From where I collected this information, I have kept link in the description. In this video lecture, I have included that what precautions we can take for saving ourselves, how there is a danger of spreading coronavirus in the respiration process, what is COVID-19, what is the chain of infection, can we stop spread of COVID-19, what is N95 3-ply surgical mask, what's their purpose and uses, and some misconception and reality about COVID-19, lifetime of coronavirus on a different surfaces. Let's start. We can't see coronavirus through our eyes, even it hardly visible with the help of a microscope. If it enters the living organism like humans, animals, it starts infecting the body cell and after that only it can produce same viruses. After entering in the respiratory system, first of all coronavirus harms the breathing tube and lungs. In result, it decreases the working efficiency of the respiratory system. COVID-19 is an infectious disease which spread by recently invented coronavirus. Whole world was unaware about COVID-19 before December 2019 when cases of it got registered in China's Wuhan city. Corona is name of family consisted of dangerous viruses and one of them has just spreaded all over the world, which makes the people suffer from a general cold fever, dry cough to severe lungs infection. Coronavirus gets spread when two persons come in contact with each other. The spread of this virus occurs because of sneezing or coughing. There are strong possibility that the symptoms may not be identical in infected person, but this does not stop the virus from spreading to others from that infected person. At times, it may happen that the person through whom the infection has been infected with the first coronary can become a victim of the serious illness or that. Dry cough, cold fever and breathing issue, all these are symptoms of the COVID-19. But there is a general consideration that after entering into the new body virus takes around 2 days to 14 days for identical indication any of the symptoms. Scientists are trying their level best to get more information about COVID-19 and to invent the vaccine of it. There are mainly three types of it. Number one is spread by the invisible liquid. Number two is droplets spread by the air. And number three is spread by the touch. The pathway for transmission of virus from one to another person is called the chain of infection. There are total 6 phases in chain of infection. Virus have to go through these phases for the viral infection. That means we can break the chain of infection. The first phase can be the virus, bacteria or fungus. Second one is a host. Hosts are supposed to be living organism, soil or water. Third is mode of exit from where virus transmitted from the reservoir. We can consider a sneezing, coughing, bandage of wound or either diapers. Fourth phase is mode of transmission in which agent transferred from one to another body, and we take example of invisible droplets, direct or indirect contact or infection via air. Fifth is a port of entry, which means that it's a place or body part of living organism from where COVID-19 virus enter into the new host. At the end of this chain, last phase is a host reservoir. Mostly it can be the living organism which possesses the weak immunity strength. We do need to break this chain of infection. We can stop spread of COVID-19. If all of us do our duties honestly, then surely we can. How to be safe from corona? Let's know that by changing daily habits, how we can save ourselves and people around us. Don't forget to wash your hand properly after each 2 hours of time gap. Always cover your mouth while you do sneezing or coughing. Social distancing and trying to avoid to get physical contact. Can we keep away ourselves from COVID-19 by washing our hands? Yes, we can. It is one of the best solution to save ourselves and others too. This habit helps to kill microorganisms which helps to avoid the infection. Proper way of coughing sneezing virus transmitted to the atmosphere during sneezing and coughing survive for very long time. Therefore, the habit of coughing and sneezing properly should be adopted by all. The nose and mouth should always be covered with a handkerchief or tissue paper when coughing or sneezing. If you don't have handkerchiefs or tissue paper around you, the elbow should be used while coughing or sneezing. Immediately after that, your hands should be washed with the soap or sanitizer. Keep things clean which comes in contact with our daily routine. It is very important to clean the objects that are often touched. There are several ways to keep this type of things clean and free of infection. Some of these remedies will definitely be available in our home. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons of bleach powder in a large size of water bottle and rinse everything with water just to clean the surface. After keeping the surface in the same position for 5 minutes, rinse the surface again with the clean water. And we can also use regular washing powder or 60% alcohol based spray at home. Social distancing between the person to person is a very effective way to keep the society healthy to prevent the spread of corona infectious disease like corona. We can implement social distancing like that teach or take online education, work from home should be done is at many tasks as possible to avoid going out. Avoid standing in crowds in the society and avoiding playing cricket and any other game in crowds. Keep at least 1 meter distance while having conversation or meeting with any people. It is important to wear a mask whenever you leave the house. So instead of using 3-ply surgical or N95 mask, it is better to use a mask made up of cloth available at home with a clean cloth or handkerchiefs. N95 is meant to protect the virus and germs from entering the body during the respiration. When the air pollution level is high and there is a risk to entering such a particles in the respiratory system, the use of N95 mask is very important for every employee working the health sector. Apply surgical mask have 3 layers. Outer layer protect against the liquid drops. Intermediate layer prevents entry of microorganisms. Inner layer moisture absorbent to prevent the respiratory infection caused by the microfluid drops. There are some misconceptions and reality about COVID-19. Lifetime of coronavirus on different surfaces. 72 hours on tough and shining surfaces like doors handle and mobile phone. 24 hours on paper and clothes. 3 hours on invisible liquid drops. Some questions related to coronavirus. Evaluate your understanding and know how much do you know about COVID-19. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.